Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will try to answer the question, can Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 play and can you install Fortnite on it? Let's begin! And the answer isn't as easy as it seems, because technically we could go into the Play Store and we could go and search for Fortnite, and you will see nothing. Like there is no Fortnite whatsoever. You cannot download it through here. So does it mean like it cannot run it? It's banned? Actually no, but it's very easy to make an assumption like that. If you want to play Fortnite, unfortunately you have to install something else. Let's go into our Chrome tab and let's search for Epic Games Download. As you can see, it is epic.download. Let's hit go. And here we have I'm really sorry for the quality. I will keep my hand here so the light won't really go all over the place. But this is the Epic Game Store download page. And in here you can, for example, download it for the Android, which is the operating system that your tablet is using. And then you want to, for example, be able to play few things. You simply want to hit download and then you should be good to go. And also you won't be able to only play Fortnite, you also will be able to play, for example, Fall Guys on even Rocket League, which is very cool. But I don't want this video to be really long, so if you want to learn how you can download Fortnite on your tablet, you can always watch our tutorial on how to download Epic Game Store application. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and support us by subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.